Good afternoon, it's me again. Now I'm with Brian today, showing me around his tractors. He's got two of them here today with me. What do you think of them, Brian? Do you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what do we have here again?
E27.
E27 and the Ford Ferguson next door?
As a Ford 9N.
Or Ford 9N.
Four.
So you're going to drive them for me and we'll have a little video of you driving around the place, eh?
Yeah.
That'd be fantastic. See you in a little while. Love the old Ford Ferguson. I've had a little ride on it already and it's a cracking piece of kit. Look at that. Right, I'm going to ask Brian if he could get on the other one and we'll see the other one now. Would that be alright, Brian? This was apparently completely rusted over. He's done all his own work. Nice little video off the cuff. I found it on my phone. I'm filming on my phone, so it's a bit of off the cuff. He decided to have a little start up with his tractor, so I thought we'll try and do a little video of it. There you go. Hope you've enjoyed this short video. It was off the cuff, like I say. Brian was around by my lakes, so we thought we'd have a little go. Thanks a lot for coming along. If you like the video, I'm not supposed to say that, am I? I'll see you again. Cheerio.